Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bread Kit is probably one of the most rewarding purchases you can make if you enjoy baking, and it opens up a world of culinary creativity, allowing you to craft delicious loaves from the comfort of your own kitchen. Forget about store-bought bread with its preservatives and questionable ingredients. With a bread-making kit, you're in control of every step, from selecting the finest flour to kneading the dough and achieving that perfect golden brown crust. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a complete novice, a bread-making kit provides the tools and guidance to embark on a fulfilling bread-making journey. Number 5. Culture San Francisco Starter. It's easy to use, perfect for those new to sourdough or experienced bakers. Get comfortable feeding your starter before you even start baking. With proper care, it can be used again and again. Make delicious bread time after time. It's not just for bread. Use it to make pizza dough, muffins, cakes, and more. The possibilities are endless. It boosts the nutrition in your bread and creates amazing flavor. Plus, it's full of prebiotics for better digestion. It's tested by a third-party lab, ensuring a high-quality, healthy starter for your homemade goods. With our starter, baking artisan bread is easier than you think. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. What we like. It's a great starter for beginners, and it can be reused indefinitely to make various baked goods. If you are new to sourdough baking or want a versatile starter for various recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the activation process straightforward even for a novice baker. Instructions were easy to follow, and the starter was very active about the third day. It's only gotten better, bubbling and doubling in size. Took about 14 days to get starter 4x the size within 6 hours of a feeding. But once it's active, the bread is so easy to make and tastes amazing. Number 4. Kook Proofing Set. It's made from sturdy rattan, ensuring it'll last through countless baking sessions. This makes it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. This set has everything you need: bannetons, covers, scrapers, a scoring lame, and even extra blades. You'll be ready to bake amazing bread. The round shape is not only aesthetically pleasing but also makes it easy to store and transport. It won't take up much space in your kitchen. Its sleek and modern design will look great in any kitchen. It's a beautiful addition to your baking tools. The open-top design allows for easy access to your proofing baskets and tools, while keeping everything secure and organized. It's convenient and practical. Everything you need to start baking delicious sourdough bread is included in this kit. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homemade bread. What we like. This kit has everything you need for sourdough baking and is made of durable rattan. If you're looking for a complete and convenient set with a space-saving design, this is a great option. What people say. These proofing baskets are lightweight and well-constructed. I've baked a dozen loaves of bread since I got them. They wash off easily and do their job in proofing my bread before baking. Floured up with dough in them creates a great ring around the tops of your loaves of bread. The metal scraper is sturdy and has a great wooden handle on it. It's sharp too. The plastic one is also very usable and easy to clean as well. The lame is also useful, and the fact that it comes with extra blades was a huge plus. It's a nice little knife and seems to be well constructed. For a baker trying sourdough bread for the first time, this is perfect. The two bannetons smelt and looked nice, and they, when floured, let the dough come out very easily and nicely with no need for cleaning and with the lovely rings on them. They came with the two Banneton covers. The Bannetons also seem durable. I use the extremely useful plastic scraper for getting the dough out of the bowl and onto the counter to start kneading, or when it's time to punch it down, and the metal scraper is the perfect strength and durability to use on the counter. The lame has worked great so far. It looks easy to replace, and the leather cover is nice. It's a great kit, with everything that you need to get started on sourdough bread. Everything about this set is great. Everything feels very sturdy and like it should last a while. Everything you need is in this set, and it makes sourdough bread making super easy. Number 3. Banneton Bread Set. This set includes two 9-inch round bread proofing baskets, ideal for proofing up to 2 pounds of dough. They're perfect for wet doughs, ensuring a beautiful rise. Made from Indonesian natural rattan cane, these handcrafted baskets are polished to prevent splinters. It wicks away excess moisture, leaving a beautiful ring pattern on your bread. This isn't just a basket, it's a complete baking kit. It includes a lame, dough scraper, bowl scraper, and a Danish dough whisk, everything you need for professional-looking bread. Beautifully packaged, this makes an excellent gift for bakers and bread lovers. It even comes with an e-book guide to sourdough baking, including recipes and scoring techniques. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help you bake the perfect loaf. What we like. It's ideal for proving dough and is made of high-quality, splinter-free rattan. If you need a reliable set for baking perfect-sized loaves and appreciate quality materials, this is for you. What people say. The kit includes all you may need to make your sourdough bread. It has great quality materials and looks like in the photos. I chose this set because I knew I wanted both a round and oval Banneton with liners. I also knew I wanted a lame with extra blades, a Danish whisk, a bench scraper and a flexible bowl scraper. All the items seem to be well made and the lame blade slices into proofed dough beautifully. I have used the Danish whisk for mixing bread dough, noodle dough, and waffle and muffin batters. It works great and is easy to clean if you rinse it off before dough dries on it. This is a great gift for the sourdough baker in your life. The baskets are very well made with no loose hairs on the reeds, and the liners are strong muslin, well sewn. The dough beater is surprisingly heavy duty, and the lame is okay for a starter kit. Bench scraper is a nice touch. Number 2. ABIOTO Sourdough Kit. Everything you need to make artisan bread at home. This kit has all the tools for a perfect loaf, every time. It includes a bread lame, Danish whisk, bowl scraper, and 2 Bannetons. These are made from high-quality materials for durability and ease of use. These handcrafted baskets are made from Indonesian rattan, ensuring they're splinter-free and ready to proof your dough. Say goodbye to misshapen loaves. It makes baking easier and more enjoyable, helping you achieve professional results. Get that perfect texture and crispy crust you've always wanted. It's the secret to consistently delicious bread. This all-inclusive kit contains everything you need to elevate your baking game. Follow the simple instructions for perfect results. What we like. This kit contains everything you need to make great bread, and it's designed for easy use. If you want to bake like a pro without the hassle, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The size is great, makes for an easy bread kit. Very lightweight, making it easy to move around the kitchen and store. The quality is really good and you can clean it so easily. Baskets are great quality. Love this basic bread making kit with rolls and all. Everything seems well made and the Bannetons are amazing and clean up nicely, very sturdy too. Number 1. Banneton Bread Set. This set has everything you need to make perfect sourdough bread. It includes both round and oval baskets for versatile baking. With this set, achieving sourdough perfection is easy. Enjoy the taste of artisan bread, baked at home. Everything is included to get you started. You'll be baking like a pro in no time. This complete kit makes baking sourdough simple and fun. Start creating delicious loaves today. It's easy to make beautiful spiral patterns on your loaves. This set helps you create bakery-quality bread. This Banneton set ensures perfect fermentation and a stunning rise. It's the secret to flawless sourdough. What we like. It's designed for perfect fermentation and helps create stunning bread designs. If you're aiming for bakery-quality sourdough with beautiful patterns, this is the kit for you. What people say. The Bannetons make 2 nicely shaped breads for baking and the metal scraper is what I use for cutting the dough into pieces. The whisk is fantastic and makes mixing so much easier. The scraper makes portioning and cleaning up a breeze. This set has everything you need to get started. Everything seems to be pretty good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.